Good morning, friends. Welcome back to RT Dashcam and to part 2 of our journey from Whitefield railway station to Bannerghatta National Park. The total distance of this route is around 44 kilometers. We've just crossed the nice ring road underpass and are now moving forward on Bannerghatta Road. From here, we take a left turn onto Sakalavara Road. In the previous part, we covered the road trip from Whitefield Railway and Metro Station to Bannerghatta Biological Park, the zoo. In this video, we'll be entering Bannerghatta National Park and experiencing an exciting forest drive of nearly 15 kilometers. I've mentioned the zoo road trip video in the description below. Do check that out as well. On our left is Miraya Greens Resort, mentioning this as a location reference. On the left side, you can see the entrance of BGS High Cambridge International School. On our left is Deeksha STEM School, Bannerghatta Road, Bangalore, which follows the CBSE curriculum. On the left side is Suvi Retreat Resort, a nice place to spend time with family and friends, offering multiple activities along with good food. Here, we merge back onto Bannerghatta Road at Nalasandra. Taking a left turn here, this road will take us through the forest stretch inside Bannerghatta National Park. This is the Ragihalli State Forest entry and checkpost. Forest Department staff regularly monitor vehicles here, and inspections are carried out whenever required for safety and regulation. I did a quick overtake here to capture the front view. This forest road is quite narrow, so overtaking can be challenging. When vehicles come from the opposite direction, extra caution is needed to judge the road width and pass safely. I also noticed that areas on both sides of the road have been cleared and burned recently. It appears that this may be preparation work to widen the road in the future. Now, we're entering deeper into the forest. You can see warning boards asking drivers to slow down. This is a wildlife movement zone, and animals like elephants, deer, and other wild animals may cross the road at any time. Driving slowly and staying alert is extremely important here. On our left is an open terrain offering a beautiful view of the surrounding forest. Earlier, visitors used to stop here for photography and to enjoy the scenery. However, due to a few reported accidents, this area has now been closed by the Forest Department using barbed wire fencing. We're just passing through and enjoying the view from inside the car. On the right side is Sri Dari Mutturayaswami temple, mentioning this for location reference. Once again, you can notice roadside areas that appear to have been cleared and cleaned as part of forest maintenance work. This entire stretch comes under Ragihalli State Forest, which lies within the Bannerghatta National Park range. The area is generally open for trekking and nature walks between 9:30 am and 5 pm, similar to the main park timings, and remains closed on Tuesdays. The best time to visit is between November and March. As this is a deep forest area, there are no street lights, which helps maintain a wildlife-friendly environment. We've now reached the exit side of the national park. where there is another checkpost. From here, there is a separate forest road that leads towards the Bannerghatta Zoo side, but that route is restricted and not accessible to the general public. On our right is Chiru's farm, Ragihalli. It's beautifully maintained with lush green grass spread across the land. On one side, you see a well-kept farm, and on the other side, dense forest, a striking contrast. Chiru's farm is also a nice place for team outings. We stopped here briefly because the straight road ahead leads towards Ragihalli village, which is in the opposite direction of the city. We took a short break, had some snacks, and then returned. Since the return journey follows the same route, I've not included it in this video. I'll be sharing a separate video with only the return drive and no voiceover. The link is mentioned in the description. So, this was today's driving experience through the Bannerghatta National Park forest area. We'll meet again in another road trip video. Until then, stay safe and happy driving. Thanks for watching.